This video is about of modern method of unit conversion. For example, volume unit conversion. Gallon convert to word feet and word feet convert to gallon. Vice versa. Modern method of unit conversion because you can calculate the conversion to any conversion factor. Okay. Conversion factor. 9 gallons is equal to 14.43753 board feet. So our formula, vice versa. To find board feet is gallon times 14.43753 board feet over 9 gallons. And to find gallons is board feet times 9 gallons over 14.43753 board feet. So exercises. 27 board feet convert to gallons. To find gallon is board feet times 9 gallons over 14.43753 board feet. So baba, gallons. 27 board feet times 9 gallons over 14.43753 board feet. So board feet over board feet, so cancel ang board feet at maiwan ang gallon. So baba, gallon. 243 gallons over 14.43753. So equals 16.8311339 gallons. So 27 board feet is equal to 16.8311339 gallons. So checking 16.8311339 gallons convert to board feet. And to find board feet is gallon times 14.43753 board feet over 9 gallons. So baba, board feet, 16.8311339 gallons times 14.43753 board feet over 9 gallons. So gallons over gallons, so cancel ang gallons at maiwan ang board feet. So continue. Board feet, 243 board feet over 9. So equals 27 board feet. So 16.8311339 gallons is equal to 27 board feet. So, another conversion factor. 27 board feet is equal to 16.8311339 gallons. When we see conversion factor, always there is a formula. So, pag sinabing conversion factor, ay mayroon yung formula. So, another formula. To find gallon is board feet times 16.8311339 gallons over 27 board feet. Again, to find gallon is board feet times 16.8311339 gallon over 27 board feet. And to find board feet is gallon times 27 board feet over 16.8311339 gallon. No? Pwede niyo itong subukan mag-calculate diyan sa bahay nyo. So, that's all. And thank you so much.